Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to sharpen or enhance image in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, convert the image into smart object, and after that, go to filter, select camera raw filter, increase the exposure to 60%, contrast to 40%, and decrease the highlights to 30%, and increase the shadow to 21%. Reduce whiteness, reduce blacks, increase vibrance, saturation, reduce tint, temperature to -6, increase texture 57%, clarity 40%, dehaze 30%, and increase grain to 36%. Scroll down and go to curve section, reduce highlights, increase lights and darks to -10, shadows to 43. Now go to color grading, increase blending, balance, details, increase sharpening, reduce noise, and hit OK. And see, we are done. Here is the before and here is the after. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.